Good afternoon, everybody. Sanctuary Saturday. This is coming out a little late, but only because, no, not only because, but there's been several things that have been going on today. We had our premiere with Cat Rambo this morning, Medicine Woman, Sacred Medicine Woman. Hope you all enjoyed it. That was premiered at 10 a.m., 10 to 11, a little past 11, past 11:11 this morning. Thank you everybody for who watched it live. I appreciate it. Thank you. Please subscribe. All of those out there, please like, subscribe, comment. Subscribers are important. It helps us build the opportunity to better market, bringing in sponsors for the network, paid sponsors for the network. I've had a call, what was it, this morning? Or yesterday? I don't remember. Days are merging together. But thinking about doing a special page on the website where it would require you to sign up or have a login. Special members, paid members only, 99 cents a month, $1 a month. That's pretty cheap, right? And you would have access to special content, transcripts for our shows, special videos that you couldn't see or won't be able to see or view on YouTube. A lot of the unlisted, some unlisted shows and special shows, documentaries for special guests. What else? So we plan on doing that. That's down the road. Yeah. So, but like I said, here's my tea. Tell us what you think. What did you think about this morning's show with Cat Rambo? We got 36 views so far. Actually, it's probably a little bit more than that. I had to re-upload. I had to re-upload the video, the original video, because there was an error in the credits. And I'm like, ooh, that's not good. So I just want to. I'm a perfectionist, so if I see an error, I got to go back and fix it as soon as possible. So 36 views so far. That was 4 hours ago. We're up to 556 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. Also, stay tuned. March 30th, we will have Keith Kong, the Mentalist. Our premiere trailer is on the channel as well. You can go view that, how it came out a couple days ago. Let's see, trying to get some more. Got a couple special guests, some more special guests to be on the show. Reaching out to some of the people I've worked with in the past through the History Channel, as well as the Sci-Fi Channel. See if I can get a hold of them. Some other podcasters that have their own content. See if we can kind of do a host-to-host type thing. Yeah. Comment, like, subscribe. If you go to the About... Oh, yes, that's another thing. We are officially also on TuneIn Radio. It's the Amazon/Alexa platform. So we are officially podcast. If you want to listen to our shows, our episodes, iHeartRadio, Spotify, Podbean, Google Podcasts, and TuneIn Radio. We are still waiting back from Pandora on our public page. So, or on my yeah. So that'll be, that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we'll be on 6 different networks. Maybe more than that. I can only, for right now, I can only have like, on Spreaker, I can only have 10 episodes and then I gotta start paying. I'd like to be on Spreaker. But it costs money. So that's where I need your help. The more subscribers I have, once I start doing the special members only thing, that'll help pay for it. So also, if there are any companies out there, any small businesses that would like to have plugs on the show, on the air during our shows, would like to advertise with us, let me know. Go to the website, send me an email, Conscious Radio Network at gmail.com. And yeah, so thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.